Sadu Quality Tools, one of Europe's leading distributors, offers wide choices of coated abrasives for automotive refinish and furniture production. Their high manufacturing process and thorough quality control ensure competitive advantages of abrasives. Specially processed grains with sharp edges guarantee exceptional cutting performance. Use of net-backed abrasive strips helps to avoid clogging when sanding putty. Film backing provides discs with durability and flexibility, making it suitable for wet or dry sanding. Thanks to an innovative application technology, abrasive grains are distributed evenly and ensure the highest surface quality. Grit range of abrasive discs covers all needs in future production, from panel sanding to all types of coating. The additional stearate coat significantly reduces surface clogging and extends the surface life of the abrasive. High-quality surface preparation is the key to an irreproachable finishing on any type of wood.